Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Orbital Mechanics. As you can see on the syllabus, today's lecture we're going to cover 3 orbits. The ever-popular low Earth orbit, the useful, if you're a spy, geosynchronous orbit, and maybe we're a bit ahead of ourselves here, but we'll talk about the near rectilinear halo orbit.
Professor, aren't we here to talk about the new green creative orbit track fixture?
Did I pass out the wrong syllabus again? I think I've got it together now. My name is Adam Roberts. Welcome to CTAC Studios. And today we're going to go over the introduction of the new specification grade Orbit Track series from Green Creative. As you can see, this fixture is a classical cylindrical shape with a yoke mount. While that may seem ordinary, what is not ordinary is the amazing number of options and flexibility available. The Orbit track head is available in 3 sizes, all with a field selectable lumen output select switch. The small is 1,000 to 700 lumens, and the medium here you can select between 1,500 and 2,000 lumens. The large fixture has a 4,000 lumen output and can be switched down to 3,000 lumens in the field. All these fixtures are available in a white, matte black, or silver finish, so they're going to match my spacecraft perfectly. And 4 Kelvin temperatures are available: 2,700, 3,000, 3,500, and 4,000 K. All boast a 90 plus CRI at least 100 lumens per watt. I hear you're asking about the accessories. Green Creative gives you 3 field interchangeable optics: a 15-degree spot, a 25-degree narrow flood, and a 35-degree wide flood. For glare and beam control and more precise cutoff, there are 3 sizes of snoots, an angled wall wash, and for precision framing, a barn door accessory is available. So, if your intergalactic and/or terrestrial application calls for it, louvers and spread lenses, as well as colored filters, are available to further enhance your setting. So now let's talk about the miles and miles of track that exists in our galaxy. And if you're brave enough to look up, you'll see some seriously tired and misapplied aliens. I mean installations. Incorrect lampings hanging below the fixture, serious glare, mismatched CCT. Some of it's pretty gross, really. The Green Creative Orbit series is your solution to revitalize these spaces. These fixtures can be ordered with track adapters for the 3 most prevalent track lighting systems. As a side note, Green Creative can also provide track for new construction or a canopy mount for junction box installation on the wall or ceiling. You can get a new fresh look while maximizing the lighting, even in the toughest of applications, all while saving energy. Where should you use the Orbit track head? Existing or new construction applications where flexibility and performance are a must-have. Museums and galleries, retail applications, hospitalities, maybe even a new dwelling on Mars. Hey Elon, give me a ring, I got some lighting ideas. It's not rocket science here, folks. With great agility in the field, classic good looks, energy savings to boot, plus it's assembled in the USA, today is the day to give your CTAC lighting representative a call to find out more. Let's get those projects modernized for the space age. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at next week's lecture about translunar injection.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.